Modern psychology tells us that the basic instincts in man, the most basic preservation of the self, preservation of the species. But we find there are people, there have been people who sacrifice their lives for some ideology, for some cause. What does it mean? There is in man some urge which is more potent than the preservation of the self. Just think of the Japanese who used to commit harakiri, killing themselves with their own, knives, just thrusting open their own abdomen. What for? The Japanese who used to sit in the bombs, navigate them, and take them to the chimneys, to the ships. And they knew it. When the bomb will explode, what will happen to the ship is something to happen later on. First of all, their own bodies will be split into bits. Why are they doing so? What's the urge? The urge of nationalism. The urge. Our nation, our country should be strong. This is the urge. Just think about the communists who brought about the communist revolution in Russia. People facing firing squads. What for? Why don't apologize and save your lives? No. We are ready to lay down our lives. What for? For an ideology. We believe in communism. We believe that the only just social order is that of communism. We want to establish it. We want to overthrow this system of exploitation. This is wrong. This is tyranny. This is exploitation. This is repression. This is injustice. And we want to do away with it. We are ready to lay down our lives, our families. Whole of the villages, being massacred like anything. It so happened in Syria. Hama, the city of Al-Ikhwan, smashed like anything. People are ready to lay down their lives. What is happening in Egypt? Why are the youth of Gabaa Islamia kissing the gallows, going to the gallows? Why? For some higher ideal. So this urge for an ideal is the most potent urge in human being. There's a very beautiful, set of couplets in Urdu. एक तसव्वुर के हुस्न मुबहम पर सारी हस्ती लुटाई जाती है, जिंदगी तरके आरज़ू के बाद कैसे सांसों में ढाली जाती है. If there's no ideal in life, you are like a human vegetable and nothing else. An animal just in the shape of human being. If you have no ideal in life, no higher goal to pursue. This is the basic philosophy. The philosophy of ideals. The urge for ideals. Every human being must have some ideal of his, to live for it, to die for it, to go hungry for it, to risk all the dangers for it.